We choose as a company Macedonia because it's very competitive to be here, more and more competitive from a cost point of view, but also the most important point is to be very close to the European market, which is the biggest market for us.
Вие се определивте за Македонија, што е најважно. Инвестицијата почна со промоција на претходната власт на Груевски, завршува со промоцијата или со стимулативните мерки од оваа влада. Што значи дека на одреден начин компанијата покажува дека политичките конфронтации не се најважни за бизнисот.
We had, with the previous government, we started. It was taken over from the next government, and there was no impact at all. So it was running very smooth. We had no negative issues due to this government change.
Има ли работници и инженери за вашите капацитети?
We have the percentage. We have about blue-collar workers 6–70%, I would say. And this will change in the future with having more development or project management when we get bigger. So far, we are very happy with the labor force we got from the area in Macedonia, and it goes quite well, I have to say, because the education level as well, the language skills here in Macedonia are very good and actually better than as I have seen in China, as well in Indonesia.
Постои еден германски проект, особено во земјите во развој, а во Македонија се повеќе се промовира, така наречено дуално образование. Тоа е образование за време на школување. Што вие правите за да се реализира тој концепт?
Okay, the dual system is, I have already discussion with the AHK, which coming from the German chamber. We had discussions and we will participate with them, because we believe very much on training young people, taking them for trainees into the company, technical training, and in parallel going to school. So for young people, that is a good combination. We have a similar situation in China. We did also in China some trainee program. We want to do that also in Macedonia, together with other organizations. And hope then finally, when this training program is over, that these young people also joining our company and work with us together.
Ако ги научите според овој принцип на дуално образование на германските модели на работа, на компетитивност со технологијата, не ли стравувате дека утре ќе си отидат вашите работници во Германија?
This risk is always here. Yes, there's a risk. But I believe, I was here the last 21 years in China, and we had done a lot of things to train people, and we had some leavers, yes, but on the end of the day it was a win-win for us also, because I believe that Macedonia will further develop because of companies coming like us, and there will be changes happen. And this risk that people going in other countries like Germany can happen, but I don't think so it will the majority. It will be the majority, because for a lot of people here in Macedonia, this is their hometown or home country, and if they have an opportunity here in future, which will be more and more, they will not leave.